Hello everyone, I am the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. I am continuing bullet journal setup. In this part 2 video, I will be making a calendar. I tried out the notebook and I made this cover page in the part 1 video. You can find the link for part 1 in the description below along with some other useful information. So I did some homework before I made the calendar. I brainstormed for ideas and watched a few popular BUJO setup videos. I soon came up with an idea. I decided to make a Dutch door in the shape of a cloud, and in that cloud I wrote the word calendar. After making the Dutch door, I decided to make the calendar. I made clouds in which I wrote the name of the month, and below that I made a rectangle in which I made the calendar for that specific month. I just started making the first calendar and I've already started failing. The trick in making a calendar is to be able to evenly space the days and the dates in columns and rows of equal lengths. So you need a lot of patience to do that, which I never had. So long story short, here's the first page of the calendar. All that is left to do is to give it a background. Oh, and I've also made a rough sketch of the rest of the calendar. So moving on to the second page, which is basically the same thing that I did on the previous page, except the placement of the calendars is a little different. Now the third page is quite different. I have decided to put the whole calendar in one single cloud instead of the cloud and box method. But for December I went back to the cloud and box method just to show how reflective we become at the end of the year. So there you are, folks. I've completed the calendar section, which took about 3-4 pages. Which page did you like the most? I personally liked the first page as it was more neat and organized compared to the others. Well, dear viewers, we reached the end of the video, but not the end of the journey. That's right, I will soon upload the January bullet setup. Well, I hope you liked the video and the art, and if you did, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned.